Billionaire Industries. These industries drive innovation, change how we experience products and services, and have a big impact on the constantly changing world. Dive into the detailed world of Billionaire Industries as they play a crucial part in shaping today, and shaping what's coming in the future. Number 1. Technology. Innovation isn't just a powerful force. It's the engine driving us towards a future filled with endless possibilities and abundance. In the dynamic realm of technology, where breakthroughs happen regularly, we witness the creation of solutions that reshape how we live, work, and connect. It's the countless opportunities technology offers to those ready to embrace the digital frontier. Think of every piece of technology as a stepping stone toward unlocking your true potential. Whether you're a seasoned professional or someone excited to explore this dynamic field, the world of technology within Billionaire Industries encourages you to tap into its vast potential. The innovations from tech pioneers not only shape the digital age but also create paths for personal and financial success. In this world of constant evolution, technology doesn't just alter our lives, it enriches them. This future brings new possibilities. As you explore this technological frontier, seize the opportunity to innovate, adapt, and unleash your potential. Embrace the positive and uplifting energy that it brings, and let it drive you toward abundance and personal fulfillment. The journey into the vast possibilities of technology within Billionaire Industries is an exciting adventure waiting to unfold. Embrace it, and witness how the positive impact of tech innovations transforms not only industries but also your journey towards abundance and success. The power is in your hands to unlock the limitless potential that technology offers. 2. Financial. In the lively realm of financial endeavors, there are plenty of opportunities for those excited to explore the world of wealth creation. This is tapping into the potential for financial success that's within each of you. Think of financial ventures like a canvas where you can paint the picture of the abundance you want. Whether you're experienced in the field or just starting out, the financial sector within Billionaire Industries wants you to grab the opportunities it offers. People working here are creating achievements that bring success and abundance together. Consider every financial decision and investment as a step toward unlocking your true potential. Embrace the positive and uplifting vibes that the financial industry brings, propelling you toward a future where abundance is not just a goal but a reality you can touch. In this ever-changing world, your financial ventures don't just shape your money matters, they create a pathway to the abundance you dream of. The future within Billionaire Industries promises not only success, but also a journey that leads you to unlock your fullest potential. So, embrace this journey, take actionable steps, and see how your positive financial decisions transform not just your wealth but also your pursuit of success. The power is in your hands to unlock the endless financial potential within the financial industry. 3. Healthcare. Think of healthcare as a way to unlock your true potential, a path leading to a life full of energy and abundance. Whether you're already knowledgeable about health or just starting your wellness journey, the healthcare sector within Billionaire Industries invites you to explore its potential. Here, leaders and innovators don't just handle illnesses, they create an environment where well-being blends seamlessly with success and abundance. Every health-conscious choice you make is like a step toward unlocking your true potential. Embrace the positive and uplifting vibes that healthcare within Billionaire Industries brings. Your efforts toward well-being don't just influence your health, they carve a path toward the abundance you dream of. The future within Billionaire Industries ensures not only a healthier life but also a journey leading you to unlock your fullest potential. So, take practical steps, and see how positive health choices transform not only your well-being, but also your pursuit of abundance. The power is in your hands to unlock the limitless potential that healthcare within Billionaire Industries offers. 4. Real estate. Welcome to the world of Billionaire Industries and real estate, a place filled with exciting opportunities for financial success. Here, making smart decisions and taking calculated risks is like the heartbeat of your journey. Think of it as a dance where understanding the market and staying informed are your strongest assets. Your properties are like silent partners contributing to your financial success. It's not just about collecting assets, it's creating streams of wealth that effortlessly come your way. Imagine the satisfaction of looking at the buildings you've acquired, each one telling a story of your hard work and foresight. These structures are more than just constructions. They embody resilience, wisdom, and your path to financial independence. Billionaire Industries invites you to step confidently into this world. It's your chance to unlock your true potential, move beyond the ordinary, and embrace the extraordinary. Real estate is not just a part of the journey, It's the vehicle driving you towards financial independence and the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. The road within Billionaire Industries may have twists and turns, but with determination and a strategic mindset, you can navigate them all. Your empire awaits, and the possibilities are endless. 5. Retail is an art form, where each sale adds to a canvas of success. It goes beyond just stocking shelves. It's understanding what your customers want and delivering with precision. Think of customer engagement as a crucial element in the retail world. The connections you build aren't just transactions. They are the strong foundation of your business empire. Embrace the idea of personalized service, making every customer feel like a VIP. As a result, you'll see brand loyalty become the driving force behind your success. In the realm of retail in Billionaire Industries, it's more than just making sales, it's creating a movement. Your store is a community hub, a place where people feel a sense of belonging. Transform your storefront into a destination, and observe as it becomes the central hub for commerce and camaraderie. Visualize the satisfaction of looking at your retail accomplishments, where each store becomes a symbol of your dedication and entrepreneurial insight. It's building a brand that resonates with the hearts and minds of your customers. Billionaire Industries invites you to step boldly into the world of retail. This is your chance to unlock your true potential, rise above the ordinary, and embrace the extraordinary. Retail is a journey propelling you toward financial success and the lifestyle you desire. In this adventure, the road to success within Billionaire Industries may have its twists and turns. However, with determination and a strategic mindset, you can navigate them all. Your retail empire awaits. Seize the possibilities. Embark on a voyage towards wealth building at brailnavy.com. Join now and kickstart your journey to financial excellence. Subscribe now. 6. Manufacturing. The driving force of progress. It's a blend of technology, skill, and efficiency. Each item that comes off the production line showcases your commitment to quality and advancement. Think of innovation as a cornerstone in the manufacturing world. Here, every idea, every improvement, takes us a step closer to greatness. Embrace creativity, and witness how your manufacturing processes become a force that not only benefits your business but elevates the entire industry. In manufacturing within Billionaire Industries, it's not just about meeting demands, it's about surpassing them. Your factory is more than a place where things are made. It's a source of inspiration. Every worker plays a crucial role in creating something extraordinary. Transform your manufacturing facility into a center of excellence, and watch it become a beacon of success. Envision the satisfaction of looking at your manufacturing achievements, where each product represents your dedication and forward thinking. It's building a brand known for quality, reliability, and progress. Billionaire Industries extends an invitation to confidently step into the manufacturing world. This is your chance to unleash your potential, redefine what's possible, and lead in industry evolution. Manufacturing is a journey that propels you toward professional fulfillment and the lifestyle you aspire to. In this journey, the path to success within Billionaire Industries may have its twists and turns. Yet, with determination and a strategic mindset, you can navigate them all. Your manufacturing legacy awaits. Embrace the possibilities, and let the journey to success unfold. 7. Entertainment. Think of high-tech cinemas with mind-blowing visuals that redefine how you watch movies. These places, supported by billionaires, make sure the magic on the screen matches the luxury of real life. It's enjoying music that knows no boundaries. From big concerts with famous artists to private performances in fancy places, the sound experience is tailored for those with refined tastes. It's like creating harmonies that fit the rhythm of a lavish lifestyle. Gaming, once limited to screens, has transformed under the Billionaire Industries umbrella. Here, the excitement of competition meets innovative extravagance. Whether you're into virtual reality adventures or personalized gaming setups, entertainment caters to gamers, making sure every win is celebrated in a grand way. In this world of entertainment within Billionaire Industries, finding joy is like a thrilling adventure. It's crafting experiences that go beyond the usual, weaving moments with the finest luxury threads. Stepping into a world where entertainment is a heightened experience, exclusively designed for you. 8. E-commerce. Here, online shopping is a celebration of style and quality. Imagine a virtual marketplace filled with top-notch items, from sharp suits to cutting-edge gadgets, carefully chosen for people with great taste. Visualize a user-friendly platform where the design is as sleek as the products it showcases. Moving through the virtual aisles is easy, and checking out is a breeze. Dive into a shopping experience that's both luxurious and efficient, tailored to meet your expectations. Billionaire Industries e-commerce ventures go beyond mere online stores. They're like portals to a world where every click brings a touch of opulence to your doorstep. The convenience of home delivery meets the excitement of unwrapping a meticulously chosen package, turning the joy of receiving goods into an elevated experience. In this digital space, e-commerce is a way of life. We empower you to make informed choices, ensuring that every product reflects the class and distinction synonymous with the Billionaire brand. 9. Food and beverage. Picture food and beverage in Billionaire Industries as a massive playground of possibilities. It's like hosting a grand feast that brings both incredible flavors and big financial wins. Think of a vast space where chefs and entrepreneurs come together, building empires centered around deliciousness. The food and beverage industry in Billionaire Industries is like a haven for those who love both great food and making serious money. It goes beyond just feeding people. It's a big celebration of flavors, a lively dance of tastes that captivates the taste buds of millions. In this world, entrepreneurs aren't just serving meals, they're creating experiences. Whether it's a cool startup or a fancy restaurant, the food and beverage industry in Billionaire Industries is a platform where culinary dreams come true. It's where the excitement of cooking tasty dishes meets the thrill of building successful businesses. This industry's charm isn't limited to traditional restaurants. Billionaire visionaries are putting their money into cutting-edge food technologies, sustainable farming, and groundbreaking culinary ideas. The journey from the farm to your plate shows how these industry giants are reshaping how we think about, produce, and enjoy food. Especially in recent times, the food and beverage sector has shown incredible strength and adaptability. There's a growing focus on health, sustainability, and inclusivity. Billionaire leaders in this field are not just creating delicious food, they're shaping a future where food does good for both our bodies and our spirits. So, as we celebrate the successes of the food and beverage industry in Billionaire Industries, let's raise a toast to the innovators and tastemakers. They're the ones turning every meal into a masterpiece and transforming dining into a journey filled with joy and abundance. In this world, the table is set for the ongoing prosperity of those who blend their passion for food with sharp business skills, creating a legacy as rich and enduring as the flavors they serve. 10. Private equity. Private equity acts like the architect of prosperity, shaping businesses and building wealth in the world of the affluent. Think of private equity as a key player, where investors come together to acquire or invest in companies, driving growth and innovation. It's more than just buying and selling. It's nurturing businesses, helping them thrive, and sharing the rewards. Imagine a vast landscape where financial visionaries collaborate to take businesses to new heights. Private equity in Billionaire Industries is a haven for those who want to turn potential into profit. It's more than a financial deal. It's a commitment to success, a partnership that turns dreams into accomplishments. In this arena, investors aren't just watching from the sidelines. They're active participants in the success story. Private equity breathes life into startups, revitalizes established companies, and sparks entrepreneurial flames. It's a journey where risk and reward work together, creating a harmonious mix of financial growth and business innovation. The appeal of private equity goes beyond traditional investments. Billionaire visionaries in this field are pioneers, spotting hidden gems and transforming them into industry leaders. Whether it's in technology or healthcare, private equity is a driving force, guiding companies toward prosperity and shaping the ever-evolving landscape of Billionaire Industries. The strength of private equity lies in its ability to adapt and thrive, even in challenging economic times. It's a testament to the strategic skills of investors and their steadfast belief in the potential of businesses. Recently, private equity has been a pillar of stability, fostering growth and injecting vitality into the business world. As we celebrate the successes of private equity in Billionaire Industries, let's cheer for the visionaries turning investments into accomplishments. They're not just managing portfolios. They're crafting a future where financial brilliance and business excellence go hand in hand. In this world, private equity is more than an investment strategy. It's a path to prosperity, and the journey is filled with optimism and the promise of a brighter, wealthier tomorrow. 11. Logistics. Think of logistics as the behind-the-scenes hero, ensuring everything runs seamlessly. In this vast landscape, efficiency is crucial. Billionaire Industries understand that a well-organized logistics system is key to every thriving venture. Envision a scenario where products move precisely, reaching their destinations like a perfectly choreographed dance. Logistics in Billionaire Industries is a dynamic stage where everyone, from suppliers to manufacturers to retailers, works together for a flawless performance. It's the well-coordinated management of inventory, warehousing, and distribution. In this realm, logistics is a strategic powerhouse, streamlining processes for on-time deliveries and cost-effective operations. Billionaire visionaries know that a finely tuned logistics machine not only satisfies customers but also significantly contributes to the bottom line. The appeal of logistics goes beyond just moving physical goods. In the digital era, technology, like real-time tracking and data analytics, plays a crucial role, transforming how Billionaire Industries approach logistics. It's a blend of efficiency and cutting-edge technology, creating a landscape where businesses operate at their best. Logistics shows its strength by adapting to challenges, be it global disruptions or unforeseen obstacles. As we explore this in Billionaire Industries, let's celebrate those who make the movement of goods efficient. They're not just managing supply chains, they're crafting a success story where every logistical detail contributes to the prosperity and smooth operation of businesses. In this realm, logistics is more than a support function. It's a driving force propelling Billionaire Industries to greater heights. Fueled by the optimism of a well-executed logistical masterpiece. 12. Construction. Think of construction as the skilled artisan shaping skylines, bringing blueprints to life. In this energetic field, Billionaire Industries understand that each project reflects vision and commitment. Imagine a scene where buildings rise like symbols of progress, showcasing innovation and development. Construction within Billionaire Industries is a team effort, uniting architects, engineers, and builders to create not just structures but lasting legacies. It's the art of turning ideas into real marvels, a testament to human achievement. In this realm, construction is a catalyst for economic growth and community well-being. Billionaire visionaries know that investing in construction projects is about fostering prosperity and making lasting positive impacts. From homes to business spaces, every construction project adds to the vibrant tapestry of thriving societies. The charm of construction goes beyond physical structures. It's creating jobs, sparking innovation, and leaving a lasting mark on the landscape. Billionaire Industries embrace the transformative power of construction, recognizing that buildings themselves create a positive ripple effect on the economy and people's lives. In the digital age, technology is a key player in construction within Billionaire Industries. Innovations like 3D printing, sustainable building practices, and smart construction techniques are changing how projects come to life, bringing an extra layer of excitement to this dynamic industry. As we step into the world of construction within Billionaire Industries, let's applaud the architects, builders, and visionaries who bring blueprints to life. They're not just constructing buildings, they're shaping the future, creating spaces where communities thrive, and dreams find a home. In this realm, construction is a journey of progress, where every project is a step toward a brighter and more prosperous tomorrow. The world of Billionaire Industries shows how influential people and their businesses make a big impact globally. These powerful sectors are crucial in shaping how countries and communities operate. Whether it's through technological advancements or changes in financial systems, their actions affect everything in our daily lives. As we look deeper into Billionaire Industries, we see that their influence goes beyond just money matters. These bring innovation, create job opportunities, and contribute to making societies better. However, it's important to understand the challenges and responsibilities that come with such wealth and power. As the ones leading change, billionaires have a special responsibility to make sure their actions benefit the planet and its people. In the ever-changing world of global business, Billionaire Industries remain interesting and impactful. The future will see new players entering the scene, bringing in fresh ideas and perspectives. As we think about the current state of these industries, it's clear that their influence on the world is significant, shaping history and opening up new possibilities for what's to come.